Chapter 8, Programming with Python. Objectives. By the end of this chapter, students will be able to recall Python basics, list the features of Python, download and install Python, understand and use the two modes of Python idle, use and apply various operators, understand the terms data types, keywords, variables, display output using print function. Earlier, we discovered the basic features of Python and explored the command mode and script mode to create simple Python programs. Let us have a quick recap of what we have learned so far. Quick recap. Python is a high-level object-oriented programming language developed by Guido van Rossum in 1991. The major reason for the popularity of Python is that it is very easy to learn. It is used to develop software applications, web services, and it is the core language used in latest technologies like machine learning, artificial intelligence, and data science, etc. Python's structure and coding structure is compact because it does not use special symbols like curly braces, semicolons, etc. as other programming languages C, C++, Java, etc. do. Python can be downloaded and installed from https://www.python.org/downloads/windows. Python features. 1. Due to its close resemblance to the structure of English language, Python is easier to read, learn and follow. 2. Python is both compiler-based and interpreter-based language. Compiler converts the Python program source code into lower-level bytecode. Bytecode is executed by the interpreter line by line. 3. Python variables do not have any defined type. They acquire the type according to the type of data they store. Example, a variable storing a number becomes numeric, and if the same variable stores text, then it becomes string type. 4. Python provides a huge collection of libraries that contain hundreds of pre-designed programs and algorithms which can be used in your programs. This saves a lot of time and effort. 5. Python is a free and open source programming language. 6. Python programs can run on any device, code once, run anywhere. Python idle. IDLE, Integrated Development and Learning Environment, is an integrated development environment, IDE for Python. An IDE is a combination of development tools such as program editor, command shell, and interpreter, etc. IDLE can be used in two modes. 1. Command mode to execute a single statement just like in Python shell. 2. Script mode to create, modify, save and execute Python scripts. IDLE provides a fully featured text editor to create Python script that includes features like syntax, highlighting, auto-completion, and smart indent. It also has a debugger with stepping and breakpoints features. Debugger is used to find and fix errors in the program. Using Python idle command mode. To use command mode, open the Python shell in Windows. We need to find the Python folder in the Start menu, Python folder, idle. You can execute a Python statement in idle shell just like you do in Python shell. Using Python idle script mode. To use script mode, you need to create a new file by selecting File menu, New File option. Enter multiple statements as shown here and save the file with extension .py using File menu, Save option. For example, save the file as demo.py. Now use Run menu, Run module option to run the script. The idle shell will show the output. Recap gets over. Let us learn more about Python. Keyboard shortcuts. F5, execute Python script. Operators and operands. Operators are used to process the data and take decisions. For example, arithmetic operators are used to perform arithmetic operations on the data, while comparison operators are used to compare values and help in making decisions in the program. An operator is denoted by a symbol such as plus denotes addition, arithmetic operator, while greater than symbol denotes greater than comparison operator. Python has a variety of operators. We shall look at the following as per the scope of the chapter in your grade. Arithmetic operators, comparison operators, logical operators. The values on which operator performs the action is called operand. Example, 5 plus 3. Here 5 and 3 are operands. Arithmetic operators. Arithmetic operators are used to perform mathematical operations like addition, subtraction, multiplication, etc. Operator sign. Purpose. How to use. Add two operands or unary plus. X plus y plus 2. Subtract right operand from the left or unary minus. X minus y minus 2. Multiply two operands. If a string is multiplied with a number, then that string is echoed as many times as that number. X asterisk y. Divide left operand by the right one always results in float x slash y. Modulus. The remainder of the division of left operand by the right x percentage y, remainder of x slash y. Floor division means dividing and rounding down to the nearest integer, x double slash y. Exponent, left operand raised to the power of right, x 2 times asterisk y, x to the power y. Have a look at the examples given here and discuss your observations with the teacher. Comparison operators. Comparison operators are used to compare values. They return true or false according to the evaluation done. For example, 5 greater than 3 will return true, but 8 less than 2 will return false. Below are the comparison operators listed. Operator sign, purpose, how to use. Greater than, true if the left operand is greater than the right, x is greater than y. Less than, true if the left operand is less than the right, x smaller than y. Equal to, true if both operands are equal, x equal to y. Not equal to, true if operands are not equal, x not equal to y. Greater than or equal to, true if the left operand is greater than or equal to the right, x is greater than equal to y. Less than or equal to, true if the left operand is less than or equal to the right, x smaller than equal to y. Remember, the expression of comparison is called condition. For example, A is greater than B is a condition. Logical operators. A logical operator helps in evaluating two conditions at a time. Logical operators are used in combination to evaluate multiple conditions. Operator sign, purpose, how to use. And, true if both the conditions are true. X is greater than y and A equal to B. Or, true if any of the two conditions is true. X is greater than y or A equal to B. Not, it reverses the given condition. Not A equal to B.